welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest. Her name is Bella. And today we're going to be doing the left-hand challenge. And yeah, let's get into the video. So, pretend pouring the glue, blue. Here you go. We already poured it in with our left hand. There we go. So we just put more. Yeah. Mine has a lot. Hers too. Look, it's supposed to go like this. We have our cute little spatulas. Mine is a golden star. And mine's gold and black and white dots. Polka dots. Okay, so, Bella, do you want to put water in yours? Yeah. Borax? No, water. Like regular water. No? Borax. Okay. Just borax, right? Yeah. Okay, so... Oh shoot, I'm mixing with it. Okay, now, should we have the color first? Yeah, and then the glitter? Yeah. And then the borax? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to put the color. I poured it with my left. Pour it with your left. It's because it's the slime. That's why. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it in too. What the? Looks cool. Whoa. Let's show them. I have a broken hand. That's okay. So we're almost done mixing, and we added more with our left. Don't worry, we're not cheating, guys. Huh, Bella? Okay, so whatever. It's not really bringing out that color. So we have glitter glues and glitter. So I'm gonna pour mine in, which is I'm gonna pour this one in. Wait, open it with my left. I'm gonna pour this one in first. This light blue. Can I take this thing off? Huh? Can I take this thing off? And you have to take out the thing that's out. And you have to put the thing back in, which switch it and tie it. That was easy. Okay, guys. So we opened them up. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my glitter. I'm gonna put this kind. I'm gonna put this kind. Don't put all of it, okay? Just like that. Just like a little bit. This is not coming out. Is there some even here in here? That's fine. It's fine. Don't worry, we're doing it with our left, guys. Whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna do this one. Okay. I'm gonna mix in. Sure. I'm not yet because I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add more too. Not the red, how it said. So I'm gonna add this kind of white. I already added the blue, guys. Where is it? You guys can't see. That kind of first. Yeah. Oh, this. You want some of this? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna add the golden, guys. I'm gonna add this one, guys. The red. You see? I added a lot. You know why? Because the tap fell in here. The tap fell in here. It came a big close. You didn't close it that well, Bells. Sorry. It's fine. No worries. Oh, there we go. Whatever. That's enough. Let's mix with our lamp. Guys. Look, guys. It's like America. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, yours shows. Mine doesn't really. Okay, I have to pour. We decided to put more glitter, okay, guys? So we're going to... Oh, sorry, guys. We're going to put not glitter glue. We're going to put them into these. Glitter. Doesn't matter. Can I check? Sorry. Oh, I don't. Look, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Okay. Sorry, guys. See, because... Oh! Shoot. Put back up. Look, guys. See? I put a lot. Whoa, Bella. Whoops. Got a lot. me put them in my... Whoopsie. Okay, guys, look. Show them, Bella. She put a lot. But you know what, guys? You can never go wrong with glitter. Okay, so let's start mixing, Bella. Wow. Plus, if she added a lot, it really doesn't matter because it's not... Glitter. Yeah, and it's not going to really show. Watch, guys. Wow, look at mine. Can you get glitter? Yeah. We'll be back when we mix. So now we're going to add the borax. So I'm going to go first. Okay, go here. I'm sorry. It's fine. Is it better with spatulas? Yeah. Yeah, this is like our first time using spatulas, and it's better. Kind of getting together already. Yeah. Kind of want to mix so bad. Okay. You do it? Okay, I need a lot more. Me too. Wow. That was a lot. Guys, it's kind of easy using your left. Not really, but yeah. Should we be back with when we're done finished? Or we should show them a little bit of mixing. A little bit of mixing. Oh my god, I added a lot of borax. It's going to be really next time. Guys, mine's not even sticking out together that much. Okay, so... we have got slime on the spatula already. It's coming together. Mine not that much. Not a lot. Add on the sides. Add on that side, and that side, that side, and that side. Oopsie. I'm so sorry. Wait, guys. Wait, hold on. There we go. It's kind of hard. Huh? Yeah. There. It's not sticking to the spatula anymore. Ours is good spatulas. They don't slip or fall like some other people. Yeah. No offense. Oh God. They're mini spatulas for me. Bella, you guys look. It's just dirty right now because. Oh shh. Whoops. It's okay. Accidents happen. Look at me. It's fine. How is yours going? Lift it up and do this look like that. I'm gonna take off my shoes. Go ahead. Okay. Can I grab my hands now? Of course. It's your choice. Okay, I'm gonna grab with my hands now. Okay. Wait, you can't knead with your like that? You only have to knead with this? Yeah. Okay. Oh God. You can only hold the plate like this. I'm taking off the slime of it. I'm just touching. My God, it's sticky. I know. I'm taking off the spatula slime because I need to take it off my arm. I'm gonna just see how. Yeah, I'm not going to touch it not that much. Just gonna do that. Okay, guys. Sorry. I decided to open my door because there was like no light, huh? And I think it's better, and I'm so sorry for that, guys. I'm really sorry. Like, take it off? Oh, God, no. So, take it out of the cup? No. No. You need borax. Borax is right here. See, yeah, I'll need it like this, look, like I am. Okay, look at mine. Because I need it. Don't add borax and borax and borax when it's really gloopy. It's gloopy because when you need to mix it all in. Guys, do you know how hard it is to not use this hand to knead it like that? For me, it's not hard. For you, it is. Well, Bella, you're over here struggling. Just try making some of this. I'm gonna feel your slime. What the heck is this, girl? Look at this, girl. It's gloopy. We're just like throwing Rexes over the. We always say that when it's like falling, because you're like, oh no, it's falling, mommy. Okay, so her slime is so weird, but Bella, you can put it on the table now if you want. I'm putting mine on the table. Oh wait, you can't use that hand. I'm gonna put mine in the table now. I'm gonna put that bowl over there. Oh shoot, I can't eat. I'm gonna put my spatula over here. Where's my spatula? It's right there. What? Oh. Okay, this thing. Okay, guys, sorry. I decided to help her because, like, it's hard for her because her slime is really sticky. After we're in the end, we want to mix it all together. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. You could go. Let me see if you feel yours. Okay. And borax. That's all, Bella. Don't put anything else. You know what I forgot? What? To put lotion. So whatever. We can just put it like that. Here. Oh god. I'm gonna do a next video though, guys, of making slime with. Actually, I don't know. Oh my god, it became stickier. Have you put some? No. Put some. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, now I have. I put like 3-4 pumps. I don't know. I just did 2. And it got sticky, so. I just did a little bit of pumps. I did 2 pumps. I did like 4 pumps or 3. I did 2 pumps and I did a little bit, so mine's still sticky. You know what's an octopi? What the heck is an octopi? It's more than one octopus. Okay, so here's her slime. Introduce your slime. My slime is a golden slime. I'm kidding. It's a purple, purple golden slime. And the texture, it's like kind of jiggly. And I wish you guys were stretchy and pop it. I wish you guys were here to touch our It's slime. Like a thin. Is it thin? Se siente like fat or skinny? It feels like fatness a little. Okay, mine feels like fat. Well, wait, it's really pokey and stretchy. Mine too. And mine's it's the same color, guys. We put the same stuff. So comment down below who won. And should we mix ours together and then split it after? Yeah. I kind of want to see. Ready? Yeah. Mix it. It's gonna be big. Big monster high. Whoa. I want to see if we can make a big bubble. Okay. With one hand. Oh. Clean. Okay, guys, so we're going to do a big bubble with one hand. Bella, grab the other side. Grab the other side. No, I'm joking. Also what? Also slime makes your hands, like, not dirty anymore. Yeah, it makes it clean. Ready? Set. Go, Bella. I'm going to try with 2 hands now. Okay, I can't. But I'm not going to try with 2 hands, guys. Duh, because it's the no hand challenge. So look at this, guys. It's all nice, huh, Bella? Yeah. So we're going to split it. So comment down below, what do you guys think? You guys like Bella's or mine or the one that's right now here? See, look.